Hello there, chaps! Today we're diving into the delightful world of preparation and why a bit of polish can make all the difference. Let's chat about getting ready for a special evening. Imagine standing in front of your wardrobe, pondering the perfect outfit. It's not just about clothes, it's about setting the tone for the night. A romantic date night deserves a bit of preparation. Think of it as a way to show your partner that you value the time you'll spend together. A bouquet of flowers, a thoughtful gesture, all add to the magic. You wouldn't head for the moon without checking your rocket, would you? Just like an astronaut ensures everything is in place for a successful mission, you should ensure you're ready for your date. It's the same for a date. Showing you care starts before you even leave the house. Adjusting your tie, checking your appearance, these small acts speak volumes. Taking time to look your best is a silent way of saying, "This evening matters to me, and so do you." It's a gesture of respect and affection. It's not about pretending to be someone else. It's about being the best version of yourself. Choosing the right hat, the right style. It's all about expressing who you are. It's about adding a little polish to your own wonderful self. Shining your shoes, adding a flower to your lapel. These details enhance your natural charm. A bit of effort boosts your confidence and lets your personality shine. When you feel good about how you look, it shows in your demeanor. Think of it as setting the stage for a cracking time, like building the set before Wallace and Gromit's next adventure. Every detail contributes to the overall experience. Your date night is your own little motion picture, and getting ready is your pre-production. The anticipation, the preparation, it's all part of the excitement. A splash of color, a well-chosen jacket, it all helps create a special atmosphere. These choices reflect your personality and set the mood for the evening. Don't see it as a chore. Enjoy the process. Ironing your shirt, choosing your accessories, it's all part of the fun. It's part of the fun. The build-up to a memorable evening. Dance a little, hum a tune, let the excitement build. You're not just putting on clothes, you're crafting an experience. Each accessory, each detail adds to the story you're creating. A little thought and care can turn a simple evening into a grand day out. It's the small touches that make the biggest impact. Every good story deserves a fantastic beginning. So start yours with a bit of polish. Remember, the effort you put in sets the stage for a wonderful time. One of the biggest mistakes? Wearing something that isn't you. Your style should feel as comfortable as your favorite armchair. Whether you love cozy jumpers or sharp suits, the key is to dress for your personality. Don't force yourself into outfits that make you feel awkward. Your discomfort will show. Clothes should be a friendly companion, not a pair of rogue robotic trousers. Your style tells a story before you say a word. Are you creative and quirky? Go for bold colors. Prefer classic? Stick to timeless shapes. Ignore fashion magazines. Your personal style is your own invention. Start with what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Avoid the wrong trousers, and you'll be well on your way to a cracking evening. Let's get down to the nuts and bolts, choosing your outfit. Consider where you're going. A picnic needs something different from a fancy dinner. For casual dates, comfort is king. Smart jeans and a clean jumper or shirt work wonders. For ladies, a pretty day dress or a stylish top with a skirt is perfect. The goal look put together, not overdone. For fancier venues, dress up a bit. Think well-fitting suits or classic dresses. Fit is everything. Tailoring beats expensive but ill-fitting clothes every time. The right fabric, cashmere, silk or wool, adds comfort and style. Pick your location, choose your level of smartness, and find an outfit that fits like a glove. You'll be looking sharper than a precision-engineered cheese knife. Simple, thoughtful choices make all the difference. Now, for those who fancy it, let's talk makeup. Makeup isn't about hiding, it's about highlighting your best features. Aim for a soft, glowing look that makes you feel polished and ready. Even out your skin tone with a light foundation or tinted moisturizer. A touch of blush gives a healthy, happy flush. Define your eyes with mascara or a bit of soft eyeliner. Think warm, earthy tones. Keep it simple and elegant. You want your date to see you, not just your makeup. For lips, choose a classic pretty color, soft pink, berry, or your signature red. Go for long-lasting formula so you can focus on fun, not touch-ups. The best makeup is the kind that makes you feel absolutely cracking. Use it as a tool to boost your confidence, not as a mask. Your hair is the cherry on top of your look. No need for elaborate styles, a simple, clean, touchable look is best. For chaps, a fresh haircut or neat trim works wonders. Tidy up beards and mustaches too. For ladies, soft waves, shiny blowouts or defined curls look romantic and approachable. Avoid stiff, oversprayed styles. Let your hair move naturally. Work with your hair's natural texture and choose a style you can forget about. The goal? Look polished but feel comfortable and relaxed all night. Now for the clever bits. Accessories. Accessories add personality and polish to your look. For gentlemen, a smartwatch, leather belt, or classic cufflinks. Don't forget clean, polished shoes. For ladies, a delicate necklace, elegant earrings, or a colorful scarf can elevate your outfit. Choose 1 or 2 key pieces. Don't overdo it. Accessories should complement, not compete with, your outfit. If your clothes are bold, keep accessories simple. If your outfit is simple, add a statement piece. It's all about harmony, making every detail work together. These little touches are your secret weapon for a truly polished appearance. Here's where you invent your look. Add your personal stamp. A pop of your favorite color, a piece of jewelry with a story, or a quirky accessory makes your style memorable. Let your hobbies and passions show. A musician's pin, a travel bracelet, or a vintage brooch. These details make your outfit a reflection of your life. Don't be afraid to be a bit quirky, if that's you. Your personal style is self-expression, a glimpse of the creative, interesting person you are. Find your special ingredient and add it to your look. It's like Wallace's inventions, uniquely yours. Make your style your own invention. That's what makes your look truly unforgettable. The most important part of any date night look? Confidence. It's not about the trendiest outfit or the flashiest accessories. It's about how you carry yourself. When you look in the mirror, what truly matters is the way you feel about the person staring back at you. True style comes from an inner glow, a quiet self-assurance that can't be faked or bought. It's that subtle radiance that shines through when you feel good about who you are. And it's what people notice first, even before your clothes. Confidence starts with feeling comfortable in your own skin and in your clothes. When you choose an outfit that feels like you, soft fabrics, the right fit, colors that make you happy, you set yourself up for a night where you can be fully present. If you're distracted by discomfort, you can't relax or enjoy yourself. You might find yourself tugging at a sleeve or wishing you'd worn something else. And that takes away from the fun of the evening. When your outfit feels natural, you can focus on your date and the moment. You're able to laugh, listen, and connect because you're not thinking about your clothes. You're just being yourself. Before you leave, take a moment to appreciate the effort you've made. Remind yourself of your best qualities, your kindness, your sense of humor, your unique spark. These are the things that truly shine. Your appearance is just the wrapping. You are the real gift. The most memorable part of any evening is the energy and warmth you bring, not the label on your shirt. A positive mindset is the best accessory. When you wear positivity, it lights up the room and draws people in, making you instantly more approachable and fun to be around. Remember, your date is there to spend time with you, not to judge your outfit. What matters most is the connection you share, the laughter and the memories you create together. So take a deep breath, smile, and walk out feeling good about yourself. Trust that your inner glow will do the rest. Confidence puts others at ease and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. When you feel good, it's contagious. Everyone around you feels it too. That's the secret ingredient to a cracking good time. Your inner glow, your confidence, and the joy you bring to every moment. After all this preparation, what truly matters most on a date? It's not the perfect outfit, the flawless hair, or even the most charming conversation starter. What matters most is simply being yourself. When you show up as your authentic self, you invite your date to do the same, creating a space where real connection can blossom. All these tips and tricks are just tools, little helpers designed to boost your confidence so the real you can shine through. They're not meant to hide who you are, but to help you feel comfortable enough to let your personality take center stage. Your unique personality, quirks and all, is exactly what your date wants to see. It's those little things that make you memorable and endearing. Dressing up isn't about creating a disguise. It's about clearing the way for your true self to come forward, unburdened by self-doubt or nerves. The best adventures, The most unforgettable moments happen when you lead with your authentic self. When you're open to the unexpected, you create space for genuine joy and connection. Romance is found in connection, not perfection. It's about sharing stories, listening deeply, and letting your guard down enough to be truly seen. Letting your guard down and being real is the bravest, most romantic gesture you can offer. Vulnerability is the ultimate invitation to closeness. Have fun getting ready. Play your favorite music, dance around, enjoy the process. But remember, let go of worries about your appearance. Confidence is the most attractive thing you can wear. Trust that you look brilliant, and then shift your focus to the person you're about to meet. The real magic happens when you're present in the moment. Listen, share, laugh, and be present. These are the ingredients for a truly memorable date. Your authenticity is your greatest asset, far more charming than any outfit or clever line. It's what makes you irresistible. So remember, being unapologetically yourself is the secret to a cracking date, and honestly, to a cracking life. Embrace it and let your story unfold.